¿Cómo se llama el perro?
Se llama Grasoso.
Grasoso. Es como...
Es un perro de taller.
Look at all those tires.
Fritas.
Fate has a way of making things work out in the most unexpected ways. A damaged wheel led to a misordered rim, and not a wheel assembly. The need for special tools and experience had me procrastinating until today.
Hello.
An enthusiastic buddy put us in touch with the right guy. So we head to the capital, a place we would normally avoid, and in the end we find all kinds of amazing people and places. Well, we blasted up from the coast using toll highways mostly, and got us here in good time. We're actually at our hostel before 9 a.m. We're now going to head down to the bike shop, meet Taz. Really kind of stoked. The referral was pretty solid and comes from a guy I like quite a bit. Thank you, Nick. And get that hoop sorted out on my motorcycle, and maybe one last thing to carry. Fingers crossed. Anyway, we'll go down to the bike shop. We'll shoot some video there. Steph's getting to business. She's tearing my rim out of there. We're gonna get this thing in the air. This is awesome.
¿Cómo se llama el perro?
Se llama Grasoso.
Grasoso. Es como...
Es un perro de taller.
Can't believe what an awesome hookup Nick has got meeting Taz, and this is Taz's bike, and I'm like gobsmacked. Oh, TM, it is absolutely poetry. Apparently the two of them used to be enduro riders together, but yeah, the collection of toys in this workshop has got me all going here. AJP rally bike, a whole bunch of Husqvarnas, very cool, super cool, and he's jumping right on this. Absolute legend.
All right, the shop dog's warming up. We knew he would. Scott's got the moves. Old. New. Time for breakfast, lunch. We've got smoothies and a croissant sandwich and a BLT. And the rim of the bike is getting worked on. Taz is awesome.
Almost done.
Almost done. Now the shop cat has come up to play.
Came straight out to you, and that was it. Oh, how I wish I had a shop like that. I think she's completely got them like under her spell.
Finishing touches on the bike. Taz has been a total rock star. Muchos gracias, Taz.
Para alegar, y ellos no me ayudan. Vamos a consumir hoy. Queremos esta cadena. Pero eras más caro y muchos tiempos que lo ordenar en línea en Mercado Libre, no sé.
In this episode, we leave the spit where Punta Arenas is located and follow the coast a bit before turning inland and making our way to the capital of Costa Rica, San Jose. Today, we ride 117 kilometers. Well, guys, we have just checked into Hostel Pangea, and we came here earlier to drop off our bags, and they gave us a room which was like a dungeon. It was in a far back corner with no daylight to be seen. So I asked if there was any other rooms. So we have got the Grand Suite. It's
Upgraded to the honeymoon suite.
It's quite big. It's not quite the presidential suite, but you know, that's okay. Has lots of daylight. Look at these hardwood floors. We also now get our own private bathroom. Woot woot. Cost us an extra $20. So I think all in all we're like, I don't know, $80 Canadian to stay here probably. By the time we pay for parking and all that fun stuff. We have a view. Oh, on a deck, not quite the road, but not too shabby. Now to set up all our stuff. Well guys, tonight in the restaurant they have World Superbike playing, so that's pretty sweet. We got here at 6:45 and they closed at 7. They said we could eat, but handed us a menu and then told us we can only have 2 options. So Scott got rice with chicken, and I got rice with shrimp. There you go.
It was a very productive day, and all a very unproductive day all at the same time.
Well guys, good morning from San Jose, Costa Rica. It is technically day number 2 here. Got all that bike stuff done yesterday, so today we're going to check out the city. We're going to do a free walking tour, so we're just waiting at the meetup point and learn a bit and see all about the town.
Yeah, I'm really glad that we had to come in and do the bike stuff, because otherwise I don't think we would have visited it, and it's really neat. Really enjoying it.
It's got a nice vibe early Saturday morning. We went and got some sticks stuck up our nose this morning to get cleared to enter into Panama, which we think we'll be doing in 2 days. Panama so far is the only country that we've come across that unless you have had your booster shot for more than 2 weeks, you're not really considered fully vaccinated. So usually some countries, if you're double vaxxed, then you don't need a test. Sometimes regardless of your vaccination status, you need a test. So yeah, if we had a booster, we'd be able to get into Panama without a test, but we don't have 2 weeks to wait, and we're not sure how we feel on all those boosters anyways.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, the whole theme of the video series was riding our motorcycles to Panama in a pandemic, so it's all part of it.
all part of it. So yeah, we chill a little more, do some walking around, and hopefully utilize the pool at our hostel, which we haven't done yet, and make some plans for tomorrow.
More riding.
More riding. It's nice here. It's not too hot. Bit of a breeze. It's good times.
The 1500s, actually in the year 1509, Christopher Columbus and the Spaniards arrived into the beautiful Caribbean coast of Costa Rica, what we call the province of Limon. From there on, the Spanish came, they established him here. They mixed with us, that's why we are all. Google has guessed once our weather forecast. We were able to actually get cut out with the very rain that we have. That's like the best spot in the city to actually keep yourself dry. If you just get into that. Come on. The biggest and the newest addition building, and the name of that building is the Maroy building. The Maroy family was a family that was involved back in the days in the coffee business, the coffee production business. They said they actually got a lot of money out of that. They were actually like the owners of a lot of buildings.
building is completely metallic.
There's only 2 metallic buildings all around Central America.
Well, guys, we are back at the hostel from our walking tour around San Jose. And I think we both thought it was really cool. Lots of cool things to see. Definitely a cool city for sure. We're just chilling out upstairs in the lounge area because the Wi-Fi is not great in our room, and they said it was good out here or up here. So that's where we are. It's nice. There's couches to sit on. Breeze coming through. View of the city. I'll give you a peek of that. So the room they were going to give us is up those stairs around here to a little bathroom area and down this hallway was this room right here, which, as you can tell, is extremely dark. Small and pretty much no external light, so I'm definitely glad we got an upgrade. There's some kittens at the hotel. They're so cute, so tiny and shy. Hey buddy, time for an ice cream cone. Watch shop.
Don't even tip.
Well, we've just made it to our restaurant for tonight. It's called the Grandmother's Corner. Bien, ¿y tú? ¿Una mesa para dos? Gracias. Wherever you like, love. Hola, buenas.
It's a shame that with all of our videos we can't perfect getting the smell or taste of anything captured, but this place smells intoxicating.
Meat, stew with rice and a tortilla. Scott got the big one. I got the mini one. Looks interesting.